Hi guys, welcome back to this session. It's a candid session with Welingkar Bangalore students. Life at Welingkar Bangalore, by the way. And इन सब बच्चों ने ना कोई कॉलेज छोड़ा है ना. एंड एक स्टोरी भी है कि इनमें से कई का मेरे ख्याल से वेलिंकर मुंबई भी नहीं हुआ है, वो भी थोड़ा दर्द है. So we're going to talk about that. But यार first of all I want to understand how's life here on the campus. Like you left what, Gurgaon? Great Lakes Gurgaon you left IMI Kolkata एंड इनका बहुत मार्जिन से वेलिंकर मुंबई मिस हुआ है. सो फिर आपने बैंगलोर चूज करा, तो वो कैसे फील हुआ फिर पहले 1-2 महीने की, यार शिट यार मतलब.
Starting it was kind of a bit devastating because since I am based out of Mumbai, born and brought up in Mumbai, so for me it was a complete shift from Mumbai to Bangalore. But as and when time passes, I think I'm pretty much settled in Bangalore right now.
फैंटास्टिक. यार तुम्हारा कैंपस ना बड़ा सुंदर सा है, मतलब छोटा सा है, मस्त है, ग्रीन कैंपस है. How's your day look like on the campus? Like कैसे तुम्हारा जर्नी होता है दिन भर का?
Sir, it depends. Like sometimes we have classes sharp from 9 till 5 in the evening. Sometimes it's easier on the classes side, but it also includes a lot of things like we have project activities. So sometimes we stay back in the campus to discuss our PPTs and everything. Then sometimes we also have events happening. So it's always that something or the other thing is happening. Life is not dull and dusted till the class is here. So we're always having something or the other thing other than classes. So which keeps us going in the hectic environment.
So you guys have fun on the campus?
Yes, we do have.
You guys have a lot of fun activities on the campus? Yes. अच्छा, and आपका हॉस्टल यहाँ पे ही है या यहाँ से दूर है?
It's 2.5 to 3 kilometers.
2.3 kilometers यहाँ से. अच्छा, cool है. So I think मेरे ख्याल से एडवांटेज है कि आपका बैच साइज थोड़ा कम है. आप लोग कुछ कह रहे थे कि एक कनेक्ट अच्छा हो जाता है फैकल्टी के साथ. फैकल्टी का कनेक्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना. मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि फैकल्टी शुड नो यू फॉर ऑल गुड रीजंस, देन इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. So can you tell us something about that? How is the faculty connect यहाँ पे?
So, sir, like I say, if I have some issues, so I can directly reach the HOD or even to the head of the placement council. So in other colleges, the thing is that we have so much of strength, we might get even lost. But here the HOD can remember you by your name. So in case of any issue, be it your class issues or any personal issue for that reason, you can reach out to the respective faculty or respective department. So I think that transparency and ease of going is very good here because of a few number of people.
So faculties know you very
yes,
well.
By name they get to know you.
बंक मारा तो फिर गया. ठीक है. How's the peer group bonding and all that on campus? Because campus, एकदम छोटा सा है. छोटा सा मतलब एकदम छोटा नहीं है, but campus अच्छा खासा है. And batch size कम होने की वजह से मुझे लगता है कि you guys should be knowing your teammates and batchmates and all that. तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में बता दो.
The beauty of Welingkar Bangalore is that the curriculum is designed so that we get to learn through peer learning a lot. So a lot of group presentations are there, and it is not just a monotonous thing that we get to present only in PPT. Sometimes we have to do role plays, acts, and everything. So we learn through that. There are a lot of case study discussions. So it happens so that you get to interact with all your classmates, and it's not restricted only to your particular course. And because when it comes to events, we have to coordinate with all the students or our batchmates or the coordinators from other batches also. So that kind of peer learning and bonding is very well in Welingkar Bangalore.
So everybody knows everybody.
Yes.
Everybody knows.
I would cross the batches as well.
Yes.
अच्छा, मतलब दूसरे के क्लास का भी बंदा बंदी तुम
you know everybody.
So you know somebody from other division also.
Yes.
अच्छा.
And you're friends with them. Like we're best friends with other batchmates.
Exactly.
It's like that. So yeah.
We basically wait for them
to come during lunch
उनकी
break.
classes खत्म हो गए and then we'll just
go. Yes.
तो भाई सबका information सबके पास है यहाँ पे. कोई चीज छिपी नहीं है.
It's a close knit community, you can say.
अच्छा, and that helps also because कभी-कभी मेरा knowledge HR में अच्छा है, कोई दूसरा.
हाँ, by the way, इसके answers काफी structured आएंगे because he is a HR guy. So इसके answers काफी structured आने वाले हैं. By the way, I want to know your background. Like आप लोग कहाँ से हो? Like commerce, engineer. Because मेरे डायरेक्टर मैम से जब बात हुआ तो मैंने सुना कि नॉन इंजीनियर्स भी यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा है. सो भाई नॉन इंजीनियर्स के लिए ना वेलिंकर बैंगलोर इज अ फैंटास्टिक चॉइस, है ना. बहुत सारे मेरे ख्याल से नंबर ऑफ नॉन इंजीनियर्स यहाँ पे बहुत बढ़ गए हैं एंड फाइनेंस वगैरह भी बहुत अच्छा करता है. तुम कौन से बैकग्राउंड से हो?
I've completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication.
बीटेक मतलब इंजीनियर. तो इंजीनियर बोल देता.
I have completed my journalism from University of Delhi.
So DU and journalism. My God. आप?
So I have completed my graduation in commerce in a specialization in marketing.
Nice.
I have completed my graduation bachelor's in computer science.
BCS.
Yes.
वो भी इंजीनियरिंग में आएगा? नहीं, उसको अलग.
It comes under BSc.
अच्छा, perfect है. So different backgrounds है. Now let's talk about the academic rigor. कैसे है, लाइक जैसे स्कूल में होता है कि नहीं असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करके दो वगैरह वगैरह, या फिर आप लोग कर लेते हो मैच्योरली, हाउ इज इट?
Sir, so the rigor is there. Like we have to submit it on time. We have to come to the classes on time. Even if you're 1 minute late, you're out of the class. So for that thing, it is that they're strict about. But if I say about the assignment submission, like he also mentioned that the assignments are not just confined to presentation or Microsoft Word document. We previously shot a video for HRM. It was very fun assignment. So the
Nice.
assignments are also like that. You get a chance equally to get the marks. And on the academic front, the exams, I think they're quite much transparent, and we don't even get that too difficult paper to solve too. So it's good here, like not too rigorous, neither too lenient.
So you guys do some sports and all that activities यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, you guys do that, so completely engaged हो जाता है. So after class, how is the schedule? Like you go back to your hostels and then खाना वाना, या फिर you are busy with your schedule, like presentation करना है, project करना है, लाइब्रेरी में बैठे हैं रात के एक
Mixture of both.
Yeah,
It's a
it's a
mixture of both.
mixture of
कभी
both.
ऐसा होता है कि है असाइनमेंट तो बेटर रहते हैं, कभी नहीं है तो we get down because it's common living space, so we come down, we have a chit chat, so it is fun. There's not like always there is an academic
Like
pressure.
it's not monotonous.
मोनोटोनस
anything.
नहीं
Yeah,
है.
it's not monotonous.
That's a good thing. ये वो होना भी चाहिए, मतलब मोनोटोनी होनी भी नहीं चाहिए, to be very honest. Good है यार. How's peer group यहाँ पे quality wise? Do you feel being challenged on a daily basis?
Yes, sir. Like some of the classmates, they're from engineering background, let's say, and some are even having work ex. So as a fresher, I have to stand with them, be it the SIP process, be it the placement process for the final placement, or be it the assignment for that sake. So if I have an assignment on, let's say, some analytical subject, so and my teammate, he or she is an engineer. So in that sense, I have to be, equally knowledgeable in that subject, or have to face that person who's already having an industry experience. So as a fresher, I get to interact with these people also. They also support you. They'll tell you that this is the right thing. I'll also support them. I'll give my input. So in that sense, you get to learn. So the quality is maintained because the people, they have work ex from some good companies. Even the freshers, they are very much excited to work. So I think the peer is good.
It is kind of a healthy competition.
Yes.
Healthy competition.
Nothing
Get to
toxic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nothing toxic.
Good. That's very important. Huh? That is very, very important. So tell me one thing. So let's say you have division, no, A, B, C, D, whatever, hypothetically. So in the span of 2 years, you guys end up working with everybody on the campus, या फिर अपना अपना ग्रुप बना लिया, वही ग्रुप चल रहा है 2 साल?
So more or so we work with everybody.
Exactly. मुझे ना ये कल्चर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज जब मैं बच्चों से बात कर रहा था ऑफ द कैमरा, तब इन्होंने मुझे ये बताया. नाउ दिस इज द कल्चर ना, ये टियर 1 में बहुत ज्यादा होता है. सो अभी मैं उन कॉलेजेस के नाम नहीं लूंगा जो टियर 2 में आते हैं. वहां पे पता है फंडा क्या होता है कि आपने एमबीए में एडमिशन ले लिया, आपका 5 लोगों का ग्रुप बन गया, आपकी उनके साथ कंपैटिबिलिटी है, 2 साल तक आप उन्हीं के साथ लगे हो. मतलब आपने बाकी किसी के साथ प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करा, प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं करा, कुछ भी नहीं. बट यहाँ पे ना बैंगलोर का कल्चर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स टियर 1 कल्चर कि यार अगर आपका ग्रुप भी है, फिर भी आप मेक श्योर करो कि एटलीस्ट 100 दूसरे बच्चों के साथ आप बैठ के काम करो, प्रोजेक्ट करो, बिकॉज दैट शेप्स योर पर्सनालिटी. If I'm not wrong, right? So I think that's a good thing. You're from Mumbai, right?
Yes.
You're from Amravati, सोलापुर. तो यार घर से दूर आए यहाँ पे, एडजस्ट करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगा होगा ना, 1.5-2 महीना, है ना?
Yes.
तो फिर वो कैसे आप उस जोन में चले गए कि आई थिंक शी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सर इट टुक मी 2 months टू गेट ओवर कैट एग्जामिनेशन, है ना, जो नवंबर में हुआ था, एंड ऑफिस में तक कैट का दुख था. ये कैसे फिर ओवरकम कर आप लोगों ने? व्हाट हेल्प यू?
So here I'll talk like we have a NEEV program which is basically
एकदम रिलैक्स होके आंसर कर. तो एचआर वाले आंसर देते हैं.
so basically at WeSchool Bangalore we have a induction program called NEEV. So in that, along with lecture series, we get to do a lot of activities that helps to know people, because coming from somewhere from Maharashtra, I have to be interacting with someone from North India, someone from South India. So there is importance that you are getting familiarized before starting your academic journey.
True.
Otherwise, then it happens so that your attitude starts clashing. You are not well versed with whatever their culture is or something like that. So that NEEV program helped me personally. And in later phase, as I mentioned also, the learning journey here is not like classroom based learning. Simply you're doing something and writing and submitting.
We even have guest lecturers from the industry.
Panel discussion.
Every subject they have 2 guest lecturers. So the industry mentor will come and give a session.
And most important part is we live in a common space. So once we are out of here from college, we get to spend time with each other to know each other better. Or कहीं घूमने निकल गए, we वीकेंड प्लान्स बन गए, तो दैट बॉन्डिंग ऑटोमेटिकली इज डेवलप्ड. तो वो दिक्कत नहीं आती कि you're not well versed with your
Also, NEEV
batchmates.
was 15 days long. So NEEV was like you have your sessions which include dancing also sometimes,
nice.
sometimes hands-on painting also, sometimes
Nice.
industry interaction. So 15 days passed on like we were having something or the other thing to do the next day. We didn't know what to do, but we had something to do. So that is how 15 days passed on very smoothly.
And वो पहले से यहाँ पे bifurcation ऐसा नहीं था कि PGD में तो
Yeah,
यहाँ बैठोगे. It was a mixed. Like whatever the programs were पहले mixed. तो पहले हम दोस्त ही अलग-अलग batches के लोग एक साथ बन गए. And then we got into our
Before the batchmates, you got friends with other
other
people.
postmates. So it was
Nice.
a beautiful, immersive.
And now you're completely settled यहाँ.
Yeah,
Yes, settled.
Perfect. By the way, SIB वगैरह लग गया इन सब लोगों का, but हम वो disclose नहीं करेंगे. वो it's a candid discussion है ना. Now, my last question for the day. Tell me one thing that you learned on this campus. जब आप यहाँ पे आए, आपकी वो personality नहीं थी, and वो एक चीज आपने सीखी, जो आपको help हो रही है अभी फिलहाल. So any one thing you want to point out कि सर मैंने ये सीखा यहाँ पे आके जो मुझे help कर रहा है.
I would say always be ready. Like nothing is pre-planned.
Be on your toes all the time.
Be on your toes all the time. Anything can come, because even if I say a placement, some companies have different criteria, some have other criteria. So you need to be like well versed in every aspect you can be. It's nothing like one thing is.
And I would say be ready to learn beyond academic boundaries. It's very important for a MBA student as of now.
True that. Julie?
Sir, I think same. I would like to say that, and also, sir, not just giving importance to academics, but also to the other extracurricular activities. So that is very important. Like दोनों चीज में balance creating is very important. And also impromptu ज़्यादा the चीजें होती है. तो you cannot be always like I'll just do the part that has been taught to me. So जो impromptu सिखा रहे जो आ रहा है, I think challenges लेना और उसको कैसे gracefully handle करना, I think I've learned that, and in the
Nice.
process I'll learn that more.
Nice. Kunal?
So I have been an introvert since childhood.
Even after having 3 years of work ex, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
So for me, it was a bit challenging coming to a strange city, being with strange people. So somehow I managed with these people and I kind of overcome that fear. I even had a stage fright, but going through the events which are happening overall the campus, I even now don't have a stage fright. I can talk with people. I can mix up with people.
Nice.
Even I can talk to stranger right now without any hesitation. So yeah, I think that's a big thing for me.
A lot of students now watching you, okay? You're going to be seniors now, है ना? Because अभी नया बैच आएगा तो.
Yes.
So I hope जितने भी C2C के followers हैं या फिर C2C के जो भी बच्चे हैं, you will be helping them on the campus.
Sure.
ठीक है? Cool है. Thank you so very much, guys, for giving some time. And guys, I hope this conversation was helpful to all of you. Do hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.